How to fix WhatsApp image not downloading issue. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp image not downloading on your device. So there might be various reasons why this kind of error occurs on your device. In order to fix it, the first thing is check for an internet connection. If you have unstable or if you're not connected to an internet service, then you'll not be able to download an image. So what you need to do is, in order to fix your internet connection, go to your settings and click on network and internet. First of all, make sure to get connected to a good internet service, and after that check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then you can turn off your router for 20 seconds, and after that you can restart it, and this might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also update your application. If you haven't updated your application for a while, then it might be another reason. So to update the application, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in WhatsApp. This is gonna take you to the page where you'll be able to see update or open. If you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, after updating the application you might be able to fix the issue. However, these are some temporary solutions to fix the issue. What you can do is, apart from that, you can also clear your cache as well as data. For that, long press on your WhatsApp application, go to your app info page, and on this page go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache as well as storage. So this is going to delete all of your unnecessary data and all that, and it's going to clear your cache as well, so you might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, if you've not enabled some of the permissions such as your camera, files and media, all that, then might be one of the reasons why you're unable to download an image. So make sure to go to permission and enable all sort of features such as this, and you might be able to fix the issue. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then first of all you can uninstall your WhatsApp application. After that, restart your device and once again reinstall your application, log in into your account, and this might be able to solve your issue. So these were a few steps on how to fix WhatsApp image not downloading issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.